Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tricks and Richard YouTube channel. So now in today's video I'm going to teach you how to install MySQL and the Microsoft SQL database. So let's start with Microsoft SQL database. I have to download it. You can download it on let's use google.com. See, you can say Microsoft SQL. Download. So you can download it. This most the latest version for developer for Express, but let me show you how to install 19. This is what I have. Let me mount it. So after mounting it, you have it open. Then this is setup. So I'm using image. So you see, guys, now I'm starting to install this. So you have it come there, standalone. So after that, you see I'm using a SQL Server edition 2019 and it's already licensed. So I have to accept terms. If you want this licensed SQL, no problem. So next, then rate is scan. So now next, you see guys, so now after that you can select what the features that you wanted to have in your computer on your server. But for me, I need this database engine services, SQL Server replication. And you see, if you are going to use machine learning services and language extension, Python, Java, so there are so many, but for us, let's use this. It's enough. So you see, now we are going to use this instance. You don't need to change it. It's a default instance. So after that, you see that if you are installing SQL Server for improving performance and protecting data, you can change the you see there are so many here. Correction, description, writing, case sensitive, accent sensitive. So you can, if you need your database to be access sensitive, and you choose different. They are so different. Insensitive, you see, access insensitive. So there's so many. You have to accept according to the data that you install in your database. But for server account, SQL Server agent, account name, password. So let's next. You see here, if you are installing SQL Server for performance, you have to change. For performance and security, you have to change the drive where you are storing your data. So you can come here, server configuration. You can, for example, you can You can customize. I don't have a disk drive D, but you can create a folder on D drive. Then you can store this data root directory, system database directory. This you can store them on local disk D. Even this you can change. So, but now we need the mixed. For mixed, it means you need to connect to a server using users SQL Server authentication and window authentication. So for this to continue, I have to add the current user. Let me find, but let me use this. You see? So then next, there are no validation errors. Click closed. System. So we have to set password here. So let me. So let me use this. So you see, guys, now I'm going to install. After finishing to install, guys, you have to wait. So now we are going to complete our installation. You have to remember that I'm going also to show you how to install SQL Studio, Microsoft SQL Studio. So guys, you see, now we complete Microsoft SQL Server, or I've succeeded. You see the status. So after that, what we need now is For UI, in order to access this Microsoft, you needed to install this UI. So for UI, let's install this. Let's use so let's find here. Let me check again. So let me download it. Let's use this 2019. SQL Server Management Studio. It is for managing let me download it. It is for managing the UI of Microsoft SQL Server. So let's do this. So we are installing 2022 SQL Server or Management Studio. It is SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. So now you see here I have to choose this component, then I install. You see SQL Server Management Studio 21. So let us wait also. Now it is counting. Guys, now our installation have been completed. You see, for SQL Server Management Studio 21 version, we use the Visual Studio installer to support. So now we can launch our SQL Server Management Studio. So guys, you don't need account. So now you see, we are excited to introduce new connection dialog experience. So selecting where we keep classic connection dialog. Would you like to try it out? If ready to try it out. So now you see how you are going to connect. For window authentication, you are going to use for example, server name, let's use localhost. Let's use localhost. Then let's connect. Encryption was enabled in this connection view. So you see, let's check if encryption is enabled. Database name, let's see the encryption. So let's find window authentication. Let's use these are authentication different method that you can use. So let's use password. Then let's connect. Connection was successfully established, but the error occurred during the login process. SSL provider. The certificate chain was issued by an authority that is not trusted. Let's check. This is not a username. Let's use SA system admin. Then let's add the password. So guys, let's see the connection. Trust server certificate. Now you see, we are connected. We are using this. So now you can create a database. These are system database, master, model, but you can also create your own database, new database. So let's call it unleashed. Let's call it unleashed. I need an unleashed only. So let me see the SQL server configurations. Let's open it. Services. So see network configurations. So they are stopped. Press let's start it. So now it is running. So now they are running up. So now let's create a database. Let's call it unleashed. Then okay, you see we have unleashed database. So guys, here you can create a table, new table, but I will show you how to create this in the next video. Guys, do subscribe if you're more interested.